Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss how we can download and install iTunes on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. To install it, we have to download the iTunes installer file. For that, simply open any browser and go to the following page. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. It will open the iTunes download page. Simply scroll down, and here you will find Windows requirements. Simply click on this icon to see all the requirements to run the iTunes application on your Windows system. Simply scroll down, and here you will find Looking for other versions. Simply click on the Windows option, and it will open the latest download page. So here, simply click on Download iTunes for Windows Now, 64-bit. Once the download has been completed, simply open this installer file. Now simply minimize your browser, and here we have the iTunes installation window. Here you can see Welcome to iTunes. Now simply click on this Next button, and here you have a few installation options, such as if you want to create a desktop shortcut, then you can check this box. Or if you want to make iTunes the default player for your audio files, then you can check this box. If you want to enable automatic updates, then you can click on this option. After that, from the language drop-down menu, simply select your default language, then click on Install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation has been completed, simply click on this Finish button. Now you can simply open the iTunes application. Now, if you want to access your iTunes library on a Windows operating system, then you can simply sign into your iTunes account with the help of your Apple ID. For that, simply click on Sign in to the iTunes Store, and here provide your Apple ID and password. After that, you will get Welcome to iTunes Store. Here, simply click on Continue.